Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This moment is just for you. A space to let go, to pause, and to breathe again. Whatever you're carrying today, it's okay to release it. You don't have to fix anything right now. Just be here. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Let your body settle. Place your hands gently on your lap. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold. And exhale softly through your mouth. Once more. Breathe in calm. Hold. And release the tension as you exhale. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel the weight of your body. Fully supported. Fully safe. Let your breath become slow and natural. Flowing in. And flowing out. Like waves on the shore. Bring your awareness to your forehead. If there's tension there, let it soften. Move down to your jaw. Unclench, let it go. Now your shoulders. Are they tight? Let them drop gently. Let the heaviness roll off your back. Breathe into your chest. Feel it rise and fall. Let any tightness melt. With every breath, you're releasing what you no longer need. Stress, tension, expectations. Gone with the exhale. Now, imagine yourself in a quiet place in nature. Maybe a forest. Maybe beside a peaceful river. Or a quiet mountain top. Feel the breeze on your skin. Hear the gentle sounds. Birds, leaves rustling, water flowing. You are alone here. But you don't feel lonely. You feel free. You feel light. In this space, there is nothing to do. Nothing to be. Just presence. Let nature hold you. Let the calm wrap around you like a blanket. You are safe here. Now gently repeat these words in your mind. Feel them. Believe them. I release stress with every breath. I am calm, I am clear, I am grounded. My mind is at peace. My body is relaxed. I choose to let go. I am in control of how I feel. This moment is mine. Stay with this feeling. Let each word sink deeper into your heart. Now slowly, bring your attention back to your breath, to your body, to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers. Roll your shoulders. Gently open your eyes when you're ready. Take this calm with you into the rest of your day. You did something beautiful for yourself. And you deserve peace,